doesn't really even feel like we're rocking down here though.
Feels worse upstairs.
Oh.
Jeez. Waves are monsters. Oh wow, holy moly.
Oh my God, there was a wall down there that went higher than us.
Jeez.
Sorry, I missed that one. I know in my head, but I'm saying.
Good mother.
Oh, crap.
Oh my. Ocean of the ocean, baby. I'm feeling it now. Oh, feel that one? Oh my God. Ooh, shit. Man, the waves feel like they're taller than we are.
So if your room is in one, that's like covering your window.
That's nuts. Couldn't imagine being down below deck having a window like ocean view. I'd be pissing my pants.